Why do you think we have, I want to start with the science center in the environment lab.
Ma'am, I have one idea about this that students or anyone which is like kindergarten age, they just want to evolve themselves. Whatever the noises going to their ears and whatever things they are seeing around them, they want to connect. For that, one science lab should be there in pre-primary, and that should be in their level where they see water, where they see soil, where they see shrubs, where they see plants, where they see small
Nature.
things. Nature, yes. And they,
True science connected with nature.
Okay, well said, Sonali ma'am. Now I want to see that interest in all of you so that we can finally create one science center in the environment lab of Govinda International School. So are you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So let's now see how to start this science center. Basically, science center, we are going to give the concept of different things. So to give the concept, we have to take the children to the lab and give them the tools. What we do? We give them the tools related to the concept so that the children can use those tools and learn what they are doing. So learning by doing. And the first thing which we want to give is, the first tool is magnifying glass. Actually, I have prepared one PPT for you. You go through this, listen carefully. In between, I'll explain you. Things are quite easier. It's not difficult. You have to prepare. We are not going to. We have to see the budget also. Very less things we will be buying, and very few things we will be creating. We will be making it. So let's just watch this and get connected to this information so that we can prepare.
Here's is a guide on how to set up learning centers for your pre-primary students. Let's start with the science center, which is the learning center, the science learning center in the environment lab of my school. So if you want to set up any learning center, and if I'm talking about the science center, then you can do this either in your classroom or in any other activity room, depending on the availability of the space. So let's start. What are the tools which we can use in this science center and why? The most important thing is why we should use these tools. What knowledge and what concept we can give to the students when they go there for hands-on activities. So let's start. The first one, which from my point of view, is keeping magnifying glass. Children can use it closely to observe the insects, plants, or different textures, enhancing the observation skill. This will of course enhance the observation of the students. Next object would be the beautiful model of parts of plants. Here we will display the parts like leaves, stems, roots, and teach children plant anatomy and their functions. So you can have the plastic, either plastic models, or you can have handmade models which are very easy to make. There are so many samples and examples given on the YouTube as well. You can explore and research. Of course,